Welcome back to online classes. So model question paper as per reduced syllabus. So timing is 3 hours 15 minutes. Instructions, all the subjects, all the sub questions of section A should be answered continuously at one place. So provide working notes wherever is necessary. 15 minutes extra has been allotted for candidate to read the questions. Figures in the right hand margin indicate full marks. So this is about instructions. Now come to the question paper pattern. First, you will get the 1 marks question, that is section A, carries 1 marks. So answering 8 questions, each question carries 1 marks. So totally you will get 10 questions. Out of 10 you have to answer any 8. Now first question, organization, that is business organization, involves dash events. See, business organization involves economic events, that is the transaction of events. It should be some monetary value, that is in the terms of money. So answer is economic events. Next, accounting is a process of recording and classifying the business financial statement. You know, the accounting is not a single word. Accounting is a process of recording and classifying of business financial transaction. So answer is true. Next, according to which concept the owner of business is considered as a creators of the business? That is C, separate entity concept. In this concept, the owner will be considered as a creators of the business. Next, expand GAAP, GAAP, general accepted accounting principles. Next, capital account balance shows the credit balance. So always liabilities shows the credit balance. Next, give an example for error of commission. So this is one of the type of errors. So errors of commission, if incorrect recording or incorrect balancing or incorrect posting done by the accountant. Example, purchase of goods for rupees 10,000. Purchase of goods of rupees 10,000, but entry we have recorded 11,000. So that we can show, and that we can say the errors of commission. We have taken wrong value. So incorrect recording or balancing or posting. So that is example we can say. Next, closing stock is valued D, cost price or market price, whichever is lower. Next, state any one adjustment. In financial accounting, while preparing financial statement, you will get the adjustments separately after the trial balance. First, what do you mean by adjustment? Adjustment are those entries not be recorded in books that will get separately, like unrecorded assets, unrecorded liability, depreciation, appreciation, outstanding expenses, prepaid expenses. We can write any one. Give the meaning of incomplete records. Here incomplete records means single entry system. It is a system in which only one aspect transactions are recorded. It is an incomplete system of bookkeeping. What is statement of affairs? Statement of affairs is prepared under a single entry system. To ascertain the opening and closing capital of the business. So this statement shows the assets and liabilities of a business concern. Now come to 2 marks questions. Give first answer in 5 questions. Each question carries 2 marks. So we get 8 questions. Out of 8 we have to answer in 5. First question, given 2 examples of revenue. Revenue means income here. Commission received, interest received, discount received, interest on investment, interest on drawings. So these are the examples. You can write any 2. Next, what is double entry system of accounting? Double entry system is an complete system of bookkeeping in which both the aspects of transactions are recorded. What do you mean by compound voucher? That is compound entry. If 2 entries debited or credited, that we can call as a compound entry. More than one entry is debited or credited, or enter more than one entry, debit or credit side, so that we can call as a compound entry. State the rules of debit and credit of a capital. So capital, that is increase and decrease rules it is. Capital, incomes, gains and liability, the same rules. Capital, incomes, gains and liability is the same rules. If increases, we have to record credit side. If it is decreases, we have to record debit side. If it is increases, credit side. If it is decreases, debit side. Next, name any 2 methods of preparing the trial balance. So balancing method, total method. Next, what do you mean by rectification of errors? So these errors occurs at the time of recording the books, primary or secondary books. That errors rectified or corrected by the auditor, by the experts. So that we can call as rectification of errors. Give 2 examples of capital expenditure. Capital expenditure are those expenditure, those benefits will not be exhausted within a short period. This capital expenditure is non-recurring. Example, purchase of land, purchase of furniture, that is amount spent on fixed assets, that is capital expenditure. Why do you prepare trading and profit and loss account? The trading account is prepared to ascertain the gross profit or gross loss of the business, and profit and loss account is prepared to ascertain the net profit or net loss of the business. So this is about 2 marks questions. So here 6 marks questions, we had to answer any 4 out of 7. Prepare the accounting equations on the basis of following. So I did these problems, you can check it in my notes. Started business with cash. So cash balance is increasing and even capital is increasing. So you can make format. Format is a balance sheet format, liabilities and assets. So asset side you can enter cash 2 lakhs and liability side you can enter capital 2 lakhs. Next, purchase of goods from Naman for cash. So this purchase of goods for Naman from cash. So liabilities will not be affected. Liability side, asset side only. So in cash you have to minus 1,40,000 and goods you have to enter as a asset side. So that time if you pass this entry, so cash balance will become 1 lakh. Cash balance will become 60,000 and goods worth of rupees 1,40,000. So this transaction will not be affected for a liability. Next, sold goods to Banu costing. So it's not a sale price. Sold goods to Banu. So Banu is the debtors of the company. So in goods you minus 10,000. So goods value become 1,30,000 and asset side only you record debtors, that is Banu's balance 10,000. So second and third transaction will not be affected to capital. So the balance will get the same assets and liability side. Example, so question number 19, accounting equations. So here you can see first transaction. A, started business with cash, so it will affect liabilities and assets. So liability side, capital I have taken 2 lakhs and assets side cash. Now second transaction, purchased goods for cash. Capital 2 lakh, no change, not be affect to capital. So when capital amount will affect, if additional capital brought or capital withdrawn, so that time the capital amount will change, otherwise the capital amount remain constant. So cash 2 lakhs in that 1,40,000 I am minus, that is paid for purchase of goods. Now remaining cash is 60,000 and goods 1,40,000. Next third, sold goods to Bhanu on credit. So capital amount will not change, same. Cash 60,000, goods 1,40,000, 10,000 sold goods on cost price. So I have minus 10,000 in 1,40,000, and Bhanu is a debtors of the company. So debtors is 10,000. The total 2 lakhs. Question number 20. Prepare petty cash book from the following information. So already I did these questions. You can check it in my notes. It is a compulsory question. Next, prepare trial balance from the following particulars. So trial balance it is. Next, question number 22. Prepare trading account for the year ending. So all I did these questions. Prepare balance sheet. From the following information, find out the closing debtors. From the following information, calculate the amount paid to creditors. So all these questions I did in notes in offline classes. You can check these answers in my notes.